Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create a blog page in WordPress using Elementor. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your WordPress admin. On the left side of the menu, you need to find plugin and click on add new plugin. Once you click on this option, this will take you right over here, and at the top right corner you need to search for Elementor. Once you search for Elementor, on the left side you will see this is the one which we were looking for. You can even click on this and you can see the details also from over here. So you will see that this is one of the best out there and most of the people actually use this. So you can see the #1 web creation platform powering over 15 million websites worldwide. So in my opinion, this is one of the best out there. Obviously you can install that from over here, and this is going to be the free version which you are going to install, and there are some premium plans also for Elementor. But the most important topic of this video is blog page, right? So obviously first of all you need to install this and click on update now. Make sure to update it. Once you do that, go back to your dashboard on your WordPress. On the top you will see that post over here. You just need to click on all posts and it will take you right over here. Here you can create new post, whatever the post you are want to create. I have already created one, so let me show you how it looks like. If I click on view and let's wait for a while, once it's load up, you can see that this is the blog which I have created for the gaming for this tutorial, and this is the very normal blog out here. And even though this doesn't suit my my website, so you can see that this is all about gaming, right? But this is what I have created for this video, and if I go back, has been created on the post menu. Obviously you can use it as well, but if you want to create it on pages you can also do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this again and I'm going to copy all the content and I'm going to paste that on my pages. But once you create your post, let's say you have created your blog over here, right? How you are going to create a blog page is one of the biggest thing. And if you don't know what is blog page, let me show you what it is. So if I search on Google blog page design, you can see that this is how it looks like. This is from Wix, by the way. So but you can see that there are multiple blog grids out here. So you can see over here as well, these are some examples which I'm showing you right now. If I go in the images also, you can see that these are some examples, like this block is different, this block is different, and you can create multiple grids out here. So this one is very good example. As you can see, this is what we are looking for, the blog page which we are looking for. So we are going to get the help from Elementor to create something like this. But there is one more plugin which I'm going to show you over here. So I'm going to go back to that page again, and what I'm going to search for, I'm going to search for the post grid, which is one of the best out there in my opinion. So make sure to install this and activate this. Once you search postgrid, you can see on the left side, this is the one which we were looking for. This is a shortcode, gluten blocks and Elementor add-on for postgrid. So this is the add-on, not the other application. So what does that mean? That you will find this postgrid in your Elementor itself. So once you install this, this is going to be installed in your Elementor application itself. So make sure to install this and activate this. Once you activate this, wait for a while. This might take some time, but it will be activated. Once you click on activate, this is where it will take you. Here you can see we have so many options like resource load type, load script dependent on block, enable preloader, disable font awesome script, icon type, and pagination range. So these are some options which are not regularly used, but this can be used on certain conditions. But right now you don't need to use any one of them. What you are going to do, just click on this option and click on Elementor and gluten blur. Once you've done this, click on save changes. Make sure to click on save changes because sometimes it shows up like this. So most of the people just click on from over here and go back, but they did forget that they need to click on save changes. So once you click on save changes, what we are going to do, we are going to create a page now for this block which we have already created, right? So I'm going to close this one, I'm going to close this post again, and I'm going to create a page. You can also create a page from over here. I'm going to click on page and let's wait for a while. Once it's load up, once you load up this page, at the top you will find edit with Elementor. Make sure to click on this and wait for a while because it's going to be load up, and you need to wait for some like few minute or maybe sometime few seconds. So this might take some time because depend on your Wi-Fi speed. Once you load up your edit with Elementor, on the left side of the menu, you can see the first thing would be over here is the post grade. Sometimes once you didn't install the post grade, this will show up at the top. This hasn't been done by me. This will come up at the top. You can see on the left side we have so many post grade options over here to choose from. These are the pro version because we are not going to use these. We are going to select this one, the grid layout. You can click on this and select that and drag that over here. You can see the first thing over here, the my blog which I have shown you recently and the blog which I have created. On the left side you can see we have some layout also options, like click on this one. This will also obviously if I would have some more blogs over here, this will show up something different, but right now I have only one, that's why it's showing up like this. But on the left side you can see how it's going to be look like. If I zoom in a little bit, so you can see this very clearly. So I'm going with the first layout. Other than that, you can see we have some pro layouts also available, but we are not going to talk about them right now. I'm going to talk about this one only. And what you can do, just click on this layout. At the bottom we have columns, so you can select the columns, how many columns you want over here, like 3 4 1 2 3, maximum is 4, so you can go either one, any one of them. We can text align like at the middle. You can see over here this is going to be look like this, and in my opinion this is going to be look good only when there are 3 blocks out here. Right now I think the left alignment is looking great in my opinion. And we have query build. These are some pro versions which I'm not going to show you, and this is the one which we can see like thumbnail link. If you want to add that, link target, same window, so you can go for the link new window also. So let's just say someone's going to click on this block, right? This will open up in a new window, and if you don't want that, you can just go with the same window as well. And we have post link type details, so you can go ahead and also do that as well. So once you've done all of this, on the left side we have some settings options also available over here. This is where you are going to edit all those stuff. Obviously you can obviously edit these also, but right now I'm just going to show you how it's done everything like one by one, right? So this is going to be section title. If you want to add the section title, you can also do that. Post title, which is going to be blog. This is my post title, by the way, blog. And post thumbnail, if you have some images you have added to your post, this will show up over here, and you can add those images through post once you are creating your post on blog. So you can ask this like in the comment down below. I can show you the different tutorial for that. So this is very different, so if you want that you can also do that. We have post expert metadata. You can also close this if you want, so this is not that important. You can see the date over here and how it's look like the by admin, date and gaming. So you can also close this. You can go ahead and click on individually if you want. And we have section title, which I have recently tell you that you can also change this if you want. So I'm going to write blogs over here at the top, so you can see over that. And we have custom title, heading style. This is right now h2, h1 would be bigger. And we have styling over here, how it's going to look like. So you can see how many things you can edit with the content right now. Now with the design, to design your your blog, so to design stuff over here, on the left side we have styling options over here. Just click on section title. You can start editing this as well. Obviously you can edit a lot of stuff over here. External icon size, if you want to change that, you can also do that. We have dot bar and line bar, external link color, typography, what type of typography you want it, so you can change it from over here. Like if I go for the Times New Roman, you can also do that. There's a lot of stuff which you can choose it from. We have post title, so obviously you can change the post title also. We have content over here, how it's going to be look like, and if you hover over it, you can change the colors also if you want. We have metadata, like metadata is going to be this one, so you can change that as well. We have read more option, which is going to be this one. You can also change that as well. And the last one is card. This is how the card looks like right now. You can also change this, like if you want to change the radius, you can also do that. As you can see on the right side, it's going to be turned. So if I write over here like say 30, on the right side you can see it has been changed to like very curvature from the corners. If I go ahead and click on 50, you will see this is going to be more curvature, but this looks very bad in my opinion, so I'm going with the 20, which is going to be very normal. And we have card gap, like if you have multiple card, how much gap you wanted. Card padding, how much you want padding. And card background, if you want to add the colors, you can also do that over here, and you can go with the images also as well. And obviously you can go with the solid color as well. And we have box shadow. If you want to add the box shadow, you can also do that. You can see this is how it looks like, and you can set the blur. Every single thing you want to do with your card, you can also do that from over here. And you can see how many things they are providing you as a free postgrad version. So make sure this is free, and this is the free Elementor which I am using right now. So this is the Elementor add-on, by the way. So you can see that this is in Elementor itself. You cannot find this anywhere out of these options. Especially you can go ahead and start trying out the other ones, but this is the one which you are looking for. Once you create the page of your blog, what you can do, go ahead and check this in your tablets also, and make sure to check this on your mobile phone how it looks like. So you can change this as well from over here. Once you're done and happy with this one, just click on publish, and your blog page would be ready for your own use. And this is how you are going to create a blog page in WordPress using Elementor and its add-on. So that's it. This is all you need to know. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.